Did you know that in the United States alone, over 40% of engine failures are linked directly to cooling system problems? According to U.S. roadside assistance and repair network data, overheating is one of the top 3 reasons engines are declared total losses. It happens during normal daily driving, traffic jams, and short trips. The cooling system fails silently, slowly weakening parts until one day the engine overheats beyond repair. In this video, I will show you the habits that keep cooling systems alive for decades. Miss even one of these tips and you're gambling with your engine. Let's get started with the first tip. Tip number 9, never top up coolant with plain water. One of the biggest cooling system killers is repeatedly adding plain water instead of proper coolant. U.S. repair shop surveys show that nearly 60% of clogged radiators are caused by repeated water dilution, not mechanical failure. Tap water contains minerals like calcium and magnesium that slowly bake into solid scale inside the radiator and engine passages. This scale restricts coolant flow, forcing the engine to run hotter even when the temperature gauge looks normal. Over time, the water pump loses lubrication because plain water cannot protect its internal seals. This causes pump failure and overheating at highway speeds. Many engines overheat permanently simply because coolant chemistry was destroyed years earlier. Proper coolant isn't optional. It's a long-term survival fluid. Tip number 8, change coolant before it looks dirty, not after. Most drivers wait until coolant turns brown or rusty before changing it, and by then, damage has already started. According to U.S. fleet maintenance data, vehicles that skip timely coolant changes are 3 times more likely to suffer heater core or radiator failure. Coolant has a lifespan, and once its additives break down, it becomes acidic. It still starts eating aluminum, steel. This corrosion is invisible until leaks suddenly appear or overheating becomes chronic. Dirty coolant also causes electrolysis. By the time coolant turns brown, internal damage has already begun. Early coolant replacement keeps corrosion inhibitors active. This one habit alone can double the life of the entire system. Tip number 7, inspect hoses and clamps monthly. U.S. roadside assistance reports show that coolant hose and clamp failures cause thousands of emergency breakdowns every month. What makes this dangerous is that hoses rarely fail slowly. Clamps loosen over time due to heat cycles, allowing small leaks that introduce air into the system. Even a tiny seep can create air pockets that disrupt coolant flow. Monthly inspections catch swelling hoses, soft spots, cracks, and rusted or loose clamps before they fail under pressure. Many engines are destroyed simply because a $2 clamp was ignored. 5 minutes of inspection can prevent a $5,000 engine repair. Tip number 6, let the engine warm up for coolant flow. Most people misunderstand warm-up and think it's about engine temperature, but it is really about coolant circulation. When the engine is cold, the thermostat stays closed, preventing coolant from flowing properly. Driving hard during this phase creates thermal shock. This stress weakens hoses, gaskets. Gentle driving allows the thermostat to open gradually, stabilizing pressure and temperature. Engines that warm up gently experience fewer hose blowouts and radiator failures. This habit quietly adds years to the cooling system's life. Tip number 5, replace the radiator cap before it fails. The radiator cap is one of the most underrated components in the entire cooling system. Its job is to maintain proper pressure, which raises the boiling point of coolant and prevents overheating. When the cap weakens, coolant can boil at lower temperatures and escape into the overflow, slowly reducing system efficiency. A failing cap can also allow air to enter, causing overheating even when coolant levels look fine. AAA roadside data shows that failed radiator caps are responsible for thousands of overheating breakdowns every year in the U.S. Replacing the radiator cap every few years is cheap insurance that protects hoses, the radiator, and even the engine itself. A bad cap can destroy a good cooling system silently. Tip number 4, keep the radiator clean. Most people only think about the inside of the radiator, but the outside matters just as much. Dirt, bugs, leaves, and road debris clog the fins, reducing airflow and trapping heat. This forces the cooling fan to work harder and increases system pressure. Internally, neglected coolant creates sludge that blocks narrow radiator passages. Together, these issues cause chronic overheating, even when everything else seems fine. U.S. overheating investigations reveal that restricted airflow causes nearly 30% of cooling system failures, especially in city driving. Periodic flushing and gently cleaning the radiator fins. A clean radiator keeps the entire cooling system relaxed instead of constantly under stress. Tip number 3, never mix different types of coolant. Mixing coolants might seem harmless, but it can create chemical reactions that turn coolant into thick sludge. Different coolant types use different additive packages, and when combined, they neutralize each other's protection. This sludge clogs radiators, heater cores, and thermostat passages, leading to uneven cooling and sudden overheating. Once sludge forms, flushing often is not enough. You may need component replacements. Always use the exact coolant type recommended by the manufacturer. Consistency is the secret to a cooling system that lasts longer than the car itself. Tip number 2, keep the cooling fan system in perfect condition. U.S. traffic-based overheating studies show that nearly 35 to 40% of overheating incidents happen at low speeds or idle, not on the highway. That's because when airflow drops, your cooling fans become the only thing keeping engine temperatures under control. Weak fan motors, failing relays, blown fuses, or faulty temperature sensors can cause fans to engage late or not at all. Many drivers don't realize there is a fan problem until the engine overheats in traffic. Repeated stop-and-go overheating silently damages radiators, plastic tanks, and head gaskets. Regularly checking fan operation, listening for abnormal noises, and ensuring both low and high-speed modes work correctly prevents hidden heat buildup. When the fans are healthy, your cooling system survives traffic, heat waves, and long idling without stress. Tip number 1, avoid shutting off a hot engine immediately. U.S. engine failure analysis shows that heat soak after shutdown is a major contributor to cooling system damage, especially in modern engines with plastic components. When you turn off a hot engine, coolant stops circulating, but engine temperatures continue rising internally. This trapped heat can cause coolant to boil locally, creating pressure spikes inside hoses and expansion tanks. Repeated heat soak weakens plastic fittings, radiator tanks, and hose connections over time. This is why many cooling system failures occur minutes after parking, not while driving. Letting the engine idle for 30 to 60 seconds after hard driving stabilizes temperatures and pressure. This simple habit dramatically reduces long-term stress on the entire cooling system. Cooling systems don't fail suddenly. They fail from neglect, shortcuts, and myths. These habits are the reason taxis, fleet vehicles, and legendary high-mileage cars stay cool for decades. If this video changed how you treat your car, hit the like button so others stop destroying their engines unknowingly. See you in the next video.